Trailer repair and fabrication. Yeah, g'day. My name's Kano. I assist people to get a visa and a job in Australia. So today I've got a client in Perth looking for welders and fabricators. They've got a workshop that repairs and fabricates trailers for semi trucks. Ideally, we're looking for somebody that's onshore. If we can't find the right person onshore, then we'll be looking at offering the 482 working visa for people that are offshore. Now, depending on your nationality, you may need a skills assessment and either IELTS or PTE English exams. But yeah, if you're looking for a job in Perth, Western Australia, if you've got, let's say, 5 years experience, welding or fabricating, you've got some skills in trailer repair or fabrication, fill out my application form. My webpage link is on my profile, just under my picture. Um, yeah, trailer repair and fabrication, Perth, Western Australia, 482 visa. Yeah, if you like this information, press the like button. If you want to hear more about visas and jobs in Australia, press the follow button. Otherwise, go to my profile and my webpage link is on there. Cheers. Have a good day.